Hey, what's going on, folks? This is Keith, and you're watching Barber's Auto Help. Got my newly acquired '07 Ford Edge back here with a 3.5 liter in it, and just bought it pretty cheaply because it's got water in the oil. So realistically, this thing needs a new motor, but I'm going to try to put a Band-Aid on it and try to get by. So let me take you around and show you this thing. I'm not going to make a video on the repair right now, but just want to give you a heads up. I've got this thing, and I will be making a bunch of videos on it, so keep your heads up for that. So let's take a look. Do a little walk around here. Overall, it's in pretty good shape, other than the water and the oil. Tires are brand new. You know, that was a plus when I got it. Interior looks pretty decent. There's some minor cosmetic stuff going on in there. Lots of stuff that I could do videos on. This whole thing here. So this is going to be great for YouTube there. Overall, it's a pretty decent looking car. I mean, I can't complain too much. Looks pretty good there. All right, so here it is. This is the 3.5 liter, and you can see here, chocolate milk all up in that motor. And what happened is the water pump leaked internally into the engine. So realistically, I should be replacing the engine. So this is, like I said, it's a gamble. Hopefully I don't get burned. Hopefully I can put a Band-Aid on this and get a few more miles out of it before we actually have to replace the engine. But this is a gamble, and we weighed our options on this and made sure that we were willing to take that risk. I think it's about $1,300 for a used motor. If I do end up putting a motor in this thing, or engine in this thing, I will be getting a used one, and of course the labor, I do that myself, so I save a bunch of money. But what I plan on doing is replacing that water pump and the timing chain, and I plan on doing a video here pretty soon on that. So keep a lookout for that. That will be coming very, very soon, and we'll put this thing back together, flush the engine oil out, and we'll be starting it soon after that, and you can see whether or not I get burned, I guess. See if Keith gets burned by his gamble there. But like I said, I am willing to put an engine in this thing, so if push comes to shove, I'll make a video on replacing the engine too. So stay tuned, guys. A lot more coming out on this thing, not just the timing chain and water pump, but also possibly an engine swap, and who knows what else is wrong with this thing. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching, guys.